How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your TikTok shop is not showing up in your TikTok application. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. The problem might be because of your regional restrictions, account settings, or app issues. So without further delay, let's see. First of all, you have to check whether the TikTok shop feature is available in your region or not. You can search online for a list of supported countries and then check the TikTok official announcement. And the second thing, you have to make sure that the TikTok application is updated. To check that, open a Play Store in your device and in the search bar, search for TikTok. If your application is missing out any updates, there you find update option where I have open. Tap on update and ensure that you are using the latest version of application. But if that's not your case, the third option or the third step is to check for your age and account setting. There is a certain age requirement for TikTok shop. It may require you to be at least 18 years old. So you have to ensure your birth date in TikTok setting meets this requirement. You can contact to TikTok support to change your age in TikTok. If that still does not help you, then you can clear up the cache and data from the TikTok application if there is any application issues. For that, you have to navigate or access TikTok application, tap and hold on it and then tap on app info. Once you're on app info page, tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove the glitches from the application, which might help you to solve the problem. Now go back and check whether if you're able to find the shop feature or not. If still not, try to uninstall the TikTok application from your device, restart your phone and then download TikTok again and log into your account, and that might help you to solve your issue. If still not, the last option is to contact TikTok support. So for that, open up TikTok in your device. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner and tap on settings and privacy. Here, scroll down and tap on report a problem. Now from here you can go down and then tap on report. So from here, tap on chat with us, and here you can direct chat with TikTok help desk. Here you can simply send a message that you are not able to find the TikTok shop feature in your account, so you need help with that. After that, this help desk will reply you back with a solution to your problem. Follow the instructions and that will help you to fix your problem. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.